Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to knit this beautiful and very charming knitting stitch pattern. This pattern is very simple and very fabulous. So you can use in ladies sweater, gents sweater, baby sweater, in shawl, in blanket, in hats, and so many things. See how beautiful. This is our front side and this is our back side. It looks same on both sides. It is very simple pattern. So this is only 12 rows repeat pattern. You have to cast on multiples of 6 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also give a thumbs up if you like my videos. Now let's knit together. So I cast on 17 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6, 12 plus 3 extra stitch plus 2 edge stitch. 17 stitches we have. Now we knit from right side. From right side, this is our right side. We slip edge stitch and we knit 3. We knit 3 and we purl 3. Knit 3, purl 3. That's it. This is our repeat pattern. We repeat it to the end of the row. We repeat again. Knit 3 and purl 3. Purl 3 and we knit 3 extra 3 stitches. We knit 3 and for last stitch we knit. So our first row is complete. Now we come to wrong side. Wrong side is all purl on purl stitch and knit on knit stitch. Knit, we knit as it is. So let's start. We slip edge stitch and we purl 3 and knit 3. Knit 3. Again purl 3. Knit 3. Again purl 3, we knit edge stitch, wrong side we purl. Now we come to row 3 and row 3 we slip edge stitch and we knit, we knit 3, we knit 2 and we purl 3. We purl 3 and knit 3. Purl 3, knit 3. Again purl 3 and knit 3. We for last we knit, we purl 1 and knit edge stitch. Wrong side we knit as it is, knit 1 and purl 3. 1, 2, 3 and knit 3. 2, 3. Knit purl 3 and knit 3. Again purl 2 and we purl edge stitch. Our 4 row is complete. Look, it is not much clear at the moment. So front side on row 5th, so we slip edge stitch and we knit 1, we purl 3. This is our repeat pattern. Purl 3 and knit 3, knit 3. This is our repeat pattern. Slip 1, knit 1 and we start from here. Purl 3 and knit 3. We knit it to the end of the row. Again we purl 3 and knit 3. Again we purl 2 and knit 1. Now row 6 for and wrong side. Row 6 we knit according to the pattern. So we slip edge stitch and we knit 2 and purl 3. Purl 3. Again knit 3. This is our repeat pattern. Purl 3, knit 3. Again purl 3 and knit 3. purl 2. We complete row 6. Now row 7 on the front side. So we slip edge stitch and we purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and knit 3, 1, 2, 3. This is our repeat pattern. We knit it to the end of the row. Again we purl 3, knit 3, purl 3, knit 3, purl 3 and we knit edge stitch. Row 7 is complete. Now we knit on the wrong side row 8. Row 8 is always according to the pattern. We knit according to the pattern. Knit 3 and purl 3. Again knit 3, purl 3. Again knit 3 and we purl edge stitch. So row 8 is finished. Now we knit row 9. For row 9 we slip edge stitch and we purl 2 and we knit 3. We repeat from here, knit 3 and purl 3, knit 3 and purl 3. This is our pattern. Slip edge stitch, purl 2, then we knit 3 and purl 3. This is our pattern. We knit it to the end of the row. Again knit 3 and purl 3. We knit edge stitch, extra stitch and we knit edge stitch. Now we knit row 10. This is our row 10. We slip edge stitch and purl 1 and we knit 3 and purl 3. Again knit 3 and purl 3. Again knit 2 and we purl edge stitch. Our 10 row is complete. So row 10 is complete. Now row 11 we start, we finish, we slip edge stitch and purl 1 and knit 3 and purl 3. Knit 3, purl 3, again knit 3 and pole 3, knit 2, and we knit edge stitch. Now row 12, slip edge stitch, and we purl 2 and knit 3, knit 3 and purl 3. This is our pattern. Again knit 3 and purl 3. Again knit 1 and purl 1. Row 12 is complete. Now we knit row 13, row 13, slip edge stitch and knit 3 and purl 3. Knit 3 and purl 3. Again knit 3, we knit edge stitch. So this is our 12 rows repeat pattern. See, this is very beautiful. So friends, our pattern is ready. See how beautiful looks. This is very elegant pattern. I hope you will like it. It is very simple and very beautiful pattern. So friends, if you like this pattern, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. So thank you to all of you. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.